yugas reign. When the world is lost in pain, evil spreads and hearts grow cold, the ancient stories foretold. From the village of Shambhala he rise, born to end the world's disguise. A warrior strong, a force so bright, riding in on Devadatta white. The skies will roar, the winds will cry, as darkness fades, the dawn is nigh. With sword ablaze, he'll clear the way, Kalki comes to end the fray. Kalki rides through the storm and flame, to cleanse the world of sin and shame. The end of Kali, the fall of night, a new world born in the shining light. Oh, Kalki comes, the final call, to bring the rise and end the fall. Kali thrives where shadows grow, in hearts where truth no longer shows. With twin generals by his side, he leads the march, the final tide. But Kalki with his allies near, the Chiranjeevis hold no fear. Hanuman's strength, Parashuram's blade, together they'll end the masquerade. The battle lines are drawn and clear, the end of Kali's time is near. With every step the earth will quake, Kalki rides for Dharma's sake. Kalki rides through the storm and flame, to cleanse the world of sin and shame. The end of Kali, the fall of night, a new world born in the shining light. Oh, Kalki comes, the final call, to bring the rise and end the fall. Through fire and ash the world reborn, the evils of the past are torn, and from the shadows truth will rise, in Yuga's peaceful skies. With Ratnamaru's sword of might, Kalki brings eternal light. Kalki rides through the storm and flame, to cleanse the world of sin and shame. The end of Kali, the fall of night, a new world born in the shining light. Oh, Kalki comes, the final call, to bring the rise and end the fall. When the final breath of Kali is gone, a new age of truth will dawn. Kalki the savior, the warrior's might, restores the balance, brings the light.